Get latest DLL from underautomation.com. In Labview, create a new connectivity.NET constructor node. Browse to select .NET 3.5 DLL and select your constructor. Add Invoke node and select Method Connect. Specify your IP and options. Enable data streaming should be set to true to be able to read variables. Add property node and select method global variables. In this example, we add a while loop with an internal 100 milliseconds timer. Add a GetByName block and specify the variable you want to read. If this variable don't exist, null ref will be returned. So we first have to check the variable exists with an equal comparison. You can then extract its value in the right type and display it. Let's run the test and check Labview receive the new variable value.